Finally got myself super rare knife by Hawk Knife Design. These things are extremely rare. I got it from PKV Vegas knife store online. So there you go. That's a first one in a while I've seen going for sale. They said here Deadlock 2022 G&G Hawk, and on this side tells you the model C and pattern number and 20 CV steel. Beautiful clip right here, one of a kind. Look at that, carbon fiber. And what's so special about that knife? Out of phone knife. There's a lot of cheap ones, medium price, really expensive ones. These ones are on more expensive side because it does not have wiggle. There is no other out of phone knives, OTF knives like that doesn't have a wiggle. At least in my understanding, I have not seen one, that's for sure. So this is a super unique knife. Check this out. There's a logo. Look like dagger at the front. Love that carbon fiber, super lightweight. Where's the balance on it? At the front knives not well balanced, you see. You'll have to hold it this way because it has all the springs and stuff like that inside of it. But yeah, what's so special about it? No wiggle at all, side to side, this way. So that's what makes it the best, beside the really cool design and logos, obviously. Probably that's why they call it Deadlock, because it has no wiggle. And look how snappy that is. You can go in and out fast. On Microtex, I really love Microtex. They're a lot cheaper than this one. This is $1,300 when you can buy like a cheap one. Usually they go up to $2,000. 2,100, depends where you buy it. So yeah, very collectible, everybody wants one. Microtex have a longer pull. This one has a much softer pull and the button is much bigger. So yeah, you see pull, and then there's a second stopper over here, but it is super easy to open and close. Beautiful steel, extremely sharp, thick. This is one of a kind knife. I really like it a lot. Can't believe it, I got one. Almost don't want to let it go, but you know what, I might sell it. We'll see. Might keep it for a while. That's what collecting knives is all about. You have some, then you trade them in, sell it for more, buy something else, buy different one. You can have them all sometimes, you know. But yeah, I really love collecting knives and flipping them and trading them. That's my hobby for sure. Hopefully you guys enjoy these videos. Yeah, also it come with the screwdriver and the card and the chopstick. There's Instagram and website and whatever, the business. You definitely will not see this one every day. If you see it, it's probably going to sell out with a few minutes to an hour. This one sold out super fast. When I bought one, I went back to it 30 minutes later, it was gone. And it was only allowed to be sold one person per household because they want everybody to have at least one, you know. They don't want somebody to buy them all and they sell them. You see what I'm saying? A lot of things I see on the website like that with knives, rare knives like that.